The AWS Racer. At first glance, the AWS Racer looks like just your normal remote control car. But there's more that meets the eye. The AWS Racer is essentially a remote control car without the remote. The Deep Racer is a 1/18th model car. It has a computer and it has cameras on board the system. The camera and the computer help it navigate. This autonomous RC car can be taught and programmed to maneuver tracks and terrain. It is able to do so by using the camera and the computer on board the system. The AWS Racer on its own is like a blank sheet of paper. So information needs to be loaded for it to be able to maneuver around tracks and paths. The process by which information is loaded on the CPU of the AWS Racer is called reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a technique that helps a machine learn to make decisions without any label training data. After the information is loaded on the CPU of the AWS Racer, we obtain what is called as a model. Hence, a model keeps the AWS Racer on its track. What is the hype with the small automatic car, one may ask? Well, for starters, this method of reinforcement learning is cutting edge. Moreover, it is exceptionally easy to program a model in the AWS Racer. Even a toddler can program a model into the AWS Racer. It is that easy. This then opens a multiverse of possibilities. There might be a time in the foreseeable future where one may be able to model self-driven cars on their own. There might even be an instance in the foreseeable future where one can model robots of different shapes and forms.